Hi everyone, I am Francesca Cerutti. Today I would like to share with you a case that I did with the R1 Mini Kit by Fanta Dental. This is a reciprocation kit of instruments that are designed in order to be minimally invasive, so with a reduced diameter of the wire, with an S-shaped cross-section and an inactive tip. We have three instruments, an orifice opener, a first shaping file, and the second file that are respectively 1905, 1704, and 2506. These instruments, with their variable cross section and the different alloys in which every instrument is, guarantee you a safe but still efficient shaping, trying to respect at the maximum the original anatomy of the root canal. Enjoy the case!